Welcome again to my YouTube channel. This is my second video in this new channel, still in my garden behind my house. In the previous video, the first video in this channel, I was photographing nature in this garden. And now I'm going to focus photographing patterns. So there are so many patterns here. Okay, let's start it. I think these beautiful patterns. It also looks so wonderful. Next, these wood patterns I think also beautiful. These rusted things. Okay, beautiful. Barbed wire at the wall. Okay, beautiful. The green moss at the wall, I think it's also beautiful patterns. Next, the surface of this old roof. Okay, wonderful. This old brick with moss on it. Okay, beautiful. The ceramics under it also wonderful. This wood looks unique. Let's move to another location. Try this roof, I guess. The shadow on the ground. Okay, it patterns.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings.
Okay, I think enough for today. See you on the next video.